Meaning of Hallmark card.
Hallmark card.
Hallmark card.
Hallmark card.
Hallmark card. A Hallmark card is a type of greeting card that is manufactured by the Hallmark Cards Company. The term Hallmark has become a generic term for any high-quality greeting card and is widely recognized in many countries as a symbol of caring, thoughtfulness, and sincerity. Hallmark cards are often used to express well wishes, gratitude, sympathy, or congratulations for various occasions such as birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, weddings, and funerals. They are known for their sentimental messages, beautiful designs, and high-quality printing. Overall, Hallmark cards have become an iconic symbol of emotional connection and communication.